are at the entrance of Hiroshima Castle.
Hiroshima Castle, in the center of pretty much Hiroshima. Yes,
It is.
we're still working on our pronunciation. It is a ever-evolving process, but we're gonna go back here and take a walk through the castle and the castle gardens by the look of it behind us. We're gonna have to do limbo under this tree just here that you see to get in first, because it's probably not designed for someone who's 6 foot. There's a height limit restrictions, you know. You got to be a particular height to ride this particular castle. And yeah, well, what do you think about that, hey? No, well, you reckon? you reckon you're tall enough for the ride yet?
I reckon my head's gonna get chopped up on that tree up there.
All right, guys. Well, let's go
Should
have a
we
look
see?
at.
We'll see
Yeah,
how
let's
we
go
go.
have a look at Hiroshima Castle. We'll tell you all about it if we don't get decapitated first by this tree that is on the absolute shiitake mushrooms. I can tell you, this thing is it is having a wild time.
You made it under though, so
I did. I made it under
you
just. I had to
survived.
duck though. Like, yeah, I did have to go like this. Oh, I just got under. Yeah, I almost broke my L5 vertebrae in the process. It was pretty exciting. But yeah, Hiroshima Castle. I don't know. What's it famous for? What does it do? Who built it? Who's the dude?
Who's the dude? Who's the guy?
What's the era? What are we looking at here?
Let's check it out.
Gonna need some information to check it out, because we have done we've done diddly squat research on this thing. Like, I had no idea. Hiroshima, there's the castle up there. I don't even know who built that thing. It is outrageous. Look at it. Who built that? I don't know.
To get some info.
Maybe,
By the looks of it.
maybe it was Mr. Yamamoto diddly squat that built it. So, and then we'll be like, oh, okay, cool, sweet. Mr. Yamamoto diddly squat.
Oh, sweet lord.
Hiroshima Imperial Military Headquarters. So this is the Sino-Japanese War. So obviously an internal Japanese feud that went down
in 1894.
Interesting. All right. Shall we continue on, madam?
Michelle.
Let's continue on. Look at these berries though. They're very pretty. Like, don't you reckon?
They are pretty.
Yeah.
Little tiny berries.
They're much more pretty than the rubbish coming out of my mouth right now. So, but if you're enjoying it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If I'm not making you laugh, I'm making myself laugh, so I don't really care. That's the reality. But if you're getting a giggle out of my dumb stuff and Camilla's dumb stuff and diddly squat, you know, it's our new catchphrase. It means we do nothing, essentially. We do diddly squat. If you're not familiar with that colloquialism, I'm pretty sure it's an Australian colloquialism, and if not, it's a British one. Then, oh, this is fun.
It is cool, isn't it? Peter, check this out.
Yo. Oh my lord.
We need a tally for every time my
How
laces
many
are undone.
times have your shoelaces come undone?
Oh, way too many.
Way too many. All right.
All right, let's just
get this stuff. Oh my god, here we go. Look at this.
It's honestly a continuous process. Oh, I think I've got some grass as well there.
Oh yeah, not bad.
Yeah, I'm just taking some Hiroshima soil home as a souvenir.
It's alright, you can take some home. It's free. Did you know that grass in Japan's free, everyone? Hot tip for everyone, just hot in from Camilla. That the grass is free in Japan and you can take as much home as you want. It's free, it's on tap, on the house.
I have an issue getting through customs, but hey.
Turn it into grass beer, throw it down your throat, have a bloody great time. It'll be brilliant. Oh my god, how many million yen is it to get in here? Oh my god.
5 million trillion.
I didn't realise, guys, but the house is built on top of some sort of weird meerkat squirrel creature. So if you didn't know that, that's probably the main thing I know about this castle now, is that it's built on top of a weird squirrel, meerkat, mouse, donkey creature. I'm not sure what it is, but I don't know if you think that's legit. You might have to come and check it out for yourself. You might have to excavate around the castle to figure out if that's really what the castle's built on, and you might find that the castle accidentally falls down in the process. But anyway, let's keep going.
370 yen apparently.
370 yen. It just says 100 here. I see 100. Is it a lie? Is it a lie? That says 100. You tell me. Everyone at home.
Probably a tax for the.
Everyone at home. What do you reckon? Do we want to go into castle or not?
Yeah, let's go into castle.
We're gonna go in the castle. We're gonna pay $6.
Castle.
We're gonna pay $6.40 to go in the castle.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're paying our $6.40 and we're going into the castle. Here we go. Let's go in. We're just gonna take your word to go here. We're on a roll. Entrance. Watch out. It's also a bit low. If you're over 6'2", you're probably gonna take your head off. So another. Oh, look, even 6 foot. Look at this. I'm stuck here. I can't move. Someone help me. Oh, look, the ladies inside are laughing at me. They think I'm outrageous. Come on, darling, please get the money out. Let's put the
Show
money.
me the money bags.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. She controls the money around here.
Adults, 740.
Oh yeah, we're on card. We're out of cash. We ran out.
We ran out of
We
cash.
donated it all to Emperor Meiji.
Oh, there we go.
Caution overhead. Award. Cardo down hero. Okay. What you're not allowed in here? You're not allowed darts, dogs, or burgers. All right. Those are the 3 no's for here. Photos. Okay. All right. We're good to go.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
There we go. You film me, I film you. You film me, I film you. Hello. This tells me how many degrees I am. That's cool. 36.1 degrees Celsius. Okay, get in here. Let's test you out.
36.1.
Oh.
I don't know. It says you're hotter, but I don't agree.
Alright, let's move on. You don't have to take your shoes off here. That's a great night. You don't have to take off your shoes. Most places around here, shrineage, you have to take off your shoes, and it's not ideal. Well, there we go.
There we go. That's how it was built.
That's how it was built.
On a flatland.
On a flatland
With lots of rocks.
Lots of rocks from islands around and the coastline around, and to build the dual system moat that surrounds the castle. You know,
400 years old.
400 years old. Impressive.
You're taking the...
I'm taking the headphones home with me. Go and put your there.
Okay, so how do we get up?
So we're just gonna do the cheeky thing, and we're just gonna go around this way because we've already been around that way. So look, there it is. There's a pretty cool little mappy of the castle. It's pretty cool. So the city around and all the stuff. And then the castle was in the middle. In there. Alright. Well, let's continue on our voyage.
Hurry on.
And go upstairs. Second floor. Oh jeez, we've got a few floors to go.
We do.
I hope we've got a few.
Did a whole lot of stairs yesterday as well.
I know. We thought Mount Missen stairs was enough, but clearly not. We've got more stairs to do.
Oh, there we go. There's a cat.
There's the cat. I swear to God, it was built on a cat. 100% built on a cat. Anyway.
Convinced now.
Convinced? Semi-convinced. Alright, let's continue on. Oh, look, we've got some traditional tatami mats. Some very traditional style rooms. And we've got some more samurai journals there. That's pretty cool. I'm running out of gas. Yeah.
Map of Yoshida Castle and the outskirts.
Cool. Sweet. So it's a different castle, not this one. Must be one elsewhere up in the mountain.
There you go.
Yoshida Castle. Oh, we're not in Yoshida Castle. We're in Hiroshima Castle. It's the gesture of the plates in here. Keep out. Please don't steal my fine china. Don't steal me fine china, alright, China? Oh, this is this looks like a cool little staircase situation. You can find your way up to stairway to the top of Hiroshima Castle. Some cooking utensils from the castle, how it used to cook. That's pretty wicked. I don't know what this is. This is like an old school.
What is this? So this was a traditional means of conveyance, especially from one person, consisting of a covered palanquin suspended from a long pole carried on men's shoulders. So I guess you could sit in it and people would carry you.
Yeah, so it's like essentially like an old school gondola for lazy people, is what I'm saying. Or deities or royalty or some like influential members of the Japanese.
Someone of high social status.
High social status. Some emperor. Alright. Performing arts in Hiroshima.
Miyajima became the center of performing arts for the Hiroshima area.
Miyajima. Okay, so the island we were at yesterday. Center of performing arts, the Deer Island, or as I like to call it, Hiroshima. Is the thing. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Oh, you right?
I'm trying to damage the camera. Only one can assume what that is. I'll say that was the consort to whatever the area king was. We'll just move right along from that one. It's probably going to cause some mass displeasure to most people. What are these?
I'm looking for info.
Oh, they look like samurai sharpening utensils.
They are weapons.
Or are these just weapons for
So there's some of like the sword blades.
Are these not sharpening utensils, or are these?
They could be.
They could be. I don't know. They kind of look like it.
Yeah.
The sharpening blades, or maybe they're just
are.
bombing knockers.
Well, you can see one. There's a picture of someone sharpening. So maybe those are the old school sharpening techniques.
So we got grinding stones and samurai swords. Japanese art of samurai making. Over here, move back into some more cool samurai get-up. Look at that. Detail on them.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Wicked.
This is a 17th century sword and it honestly looks pretty sharp.
It does.
Pretty aggressive.
Yeah, that is a aggressive blade. They had some really wicked steel making processes in Japan, and they're still considered to make the best knives in the world. So whenever anyone does any knife shopping, they tend to like to get the Japanese knives. So if you're into samurai swords, definitely come to Hiroshima Castle because you can carve it up. 100%. You will carve it up.
Oh, check this one out. The carving on that.
Oh, there's like a dragon on it.
How
Look at
cool is that?
That is very cool.
And they sign it at the bottom, so I'm guessing whoever
makes it signs at the bottom, and they put the samurai's insignia on the top. That's cool. That's the only one. Oh no, this one's... No insignia on that one. No. Well, that was really cool, hey?
Yeah.
Very cool.
How's the calves going?
My calves are good. How are yours going?
My calves are carving it up just like those swords.
Oh, it ain't easy being cheesy, but it kind of is. Absolutely no. I'm not looking down to go. I'm not looking forward to going down these stairs. Just telling you now. So the battery died because clearly I've been blabbing too long, and I guess that means it's time for us to wrap up this very insightful video and educational video and ridiculous video from Miyajima Castle. So,
Miyajima Castle? It's Hiroshima Castle.
It's been a long day. I'm looking forward to snowboarding. We're going to Niseko tomorrow. If I can learn to speak properly, I'll get us there.
Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you at the next location.
Cheers, adventure seekers. See ya.